Google reviews are dead. Now people believe more in video reviews. Think about it. When was the last time 5 gold star actually convinced you to buy? You scroll past them. But a real person on camera saying this works for me, that you remember, that the brand you trust. So here is the system I built inside Go High Level, where you can get video reviews for your business and your client. And the best part, you always get 5-star reviews on your Google. So the moment a client hits a win, a payment, a closed job, or a completed project, an automation quietly fires. No one on your team has to remember anything or call someone for the same. That client get a message asking for a quick video, and to make sure they actually do it, we add a small incentive, a discount, a bonus, an entry into something. Suddenly leaving a review feels worth their time. Happy ones get straight, anyone unhappy gets routed to you privately, so that you know exactly what's the problem going on in your business before they ever reach a public page. That's how you stay at 5 stars by design, not by the luck. The result, a steady stream of video testimonials, your future client actually believe in you, and Google profile filling up at the same time. And the best part, once it is set up, this whole thing runs without you ever touching it. Let me show you how exactly I built it without you touching it. If you want the whole system for free, go below and sign up for my 30 days trial of Go High Level and check out the system. And let me show you exactly how I built it. So the first, you need to have your client fill up this form, or it is for your business. You need to have a business logo, uploaded business name, review link, Google My Business, Trustpilot, it works for everywhere. And there is a personalized image to incentivize. What exactly the personalized image is, like you can use a tool where you are putting the client's name on your emails, just like I'm saying, take your coffee along and I have my client name over here. Or last time we met and how was our services, and then there's a client named Jack, how was our services Jack. All those stuff will be this, and this you can use from a tool called Hyperize, or you can use Nifty Images where you can have those personalized links. And this you can do it from your site also, from your office also, so it looks personal. Now to incentivize more, what are the offer we are giving to them in exchange of a video review and Google review, like 20% discount, or next time there will be free coupon or something. That you need to write it down, and then the whole system will be work automatically. Once you request someone to do a review, it will start sending them emails, WhatsApp, SMS, and then once they clicked on your review, it comes over this section, or if they clicked on the video review, it will come on this section. And for the video review part, you can always have the video testimonial, just like I am getting lots of video testimonials from this, and this automatically triggered inside Go High Level. Now once they have given you the review, you can always check on your sites and on your database that who has given you a review. And once they have given you a review, it comes in the review section, and if they are not responding, it will automatically come towards this. So the people who are not responding to your review request, they all come on this, and then you can put them into a reactivation campaign where you are incentivized more, or you are giving them some offers which is so lucrative that if they are happy with your service, they want to give a video review. Now all those automations at the back end are already done. You need not to change anything. Just from the single onboarding form, everything is triggered, and your system is plug and play. Within 5 minutes, it's ready to launch. And this is the system where you always get the 5 star. It's a form in which they are rating like a Google review 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if they are reviewing 5 or 4, they are exactly going to your Google My Business page. But if they are reviewing 3, 2, and 1, they are reviewing it with a message, but all those messages are coming internally so that you can work what exactly going wrong with your business. So the system comes up with the dashboard where you can see how many people you are requesting. It's come up with the system of video review where you can embed someone. It's come up with the positive reply of the reviews as well. If somebody is posting on Google My Business 5, 4, that you can also do. Now, if you want only 5-star reviews, that automation is already in the place. Lots of my coaching students are selling this on $297 per month, $97 per month, with just people wants video reviews on their page. Just lots of business wants video reviews, and you can also do it in your business or in your client's business by selling these offers by signing up from my Go High Level affiliate link below, and you will get 30 days trial and all those systems to use for.